What's going on, YouTube? This is a channel update. For those that subscribe to my channel, I'm going to be doing not only just making music and posting it, music videos and posting it and everything. I'm going to be posting about my car. I got me a Honda Civic 1996. I wanted to do a build on it and everything and make it look cool and make it look nice and stuff, you know, add things to it and everything. So I just wanted to vlog the process of it. I'm going to upload it on my channel along with music and stuff. And so for those that are not subscribed to my channel, I do music. I make music from time to time, post it on YouTube, post songs, videos, all that. So for those that are subscribed, you'll be seeing more videos of this car being upgraded and parts put on it and all that other stuff. And for those that are not subscribed, you're gonna be seeing also that and I guess music and stuff. So right now, I'm gonna give a small, quick tour of the car real quick. Yeah, it's gray, it has rims. These are just steel rims or chrome rims. I got a few dents here and there, right there. A few scratches, tinted windows. Got a steel in here. The other room's in the trunk. You know, some rashes here, little things here and there. I actually got the car for $800. Just got all the paperwork done for it and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and open the hood. Alright, I honestly don't even know what engine this is. It runs pretty great. It moves fast. This car moves really fast. I'm not even sure what engine this is. But everything in here is stock. Nothing different. I think the only thing in here that's different is the headlights, the HIDs. You can see, I think I got them over here. Yeah, here you go. HID headlights. Pretty cool engine. Runs great. Nothing. I don't see anything wrong with it. I don't feel anything wrong with it. There's no random noises, no knocks, no nothing. It just needs to be cleaned though. It's very, very dirty and filthy in here. Like I got a dead spider. So yeah. I guess I got it for $800. It was in great condition. Picked it up. This car I'm working on. I had a 1993 Honda Civic LX, but that engine's done. That engine's dead. So I decided to get another car. Take a look on the inside. The miles are pretty high on this car. I mean, damn. But it runs great. I guess they kept it well together. I don't know if they did an engine swap, kept the miles. I don't know how it works, but I got a lot of miles. The interior's pretty cool, just very dirty also. I just need to clean it up. I got some of my stuff in here and all that, so I got this crack right here. I got a radio, I got Kenwood radio. And I got stuff in here, stuff right there. Those are my tools. It came with the shift knob, and that shift knob's over there. A bunch of wiring too. And then, oh my god, so many Rockstar bottles, beer bottles, all this stuff. Lights, these light things. So yeah, I'll show you the trunk too real quick. Yeah, more tools, motor rim. I need to get new tires, flat wiring. They actually have wiring here format, but wiring here for a subwoofer and an amp. But yeah, I'm gonna get all this cleaned up and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this car out and everything, clean it up and everything, and then show you what it's like afterwards, because I hate having a dirty car. I really do. Alright, so here's the car clean. I put my own floor mats in. They're dirty. The whole car is still kind of dirty. I just need a vacuum. I don't have one here. Like a little hand vacuum. I feel like pulling out the big one. So cleaned it out. Just need to wash down these seats, clean them out, wash down the interior parts, all that stuff. I don't know what the hell these are, but shit, I need to get rid of these too. And then fix this little divot or whatever that is. If you can see that. But other than that, I just need to dust it down, clean this out, and it'd be pretty good. It'd be looking pretty damn clean. Alright, so I was cleaning car and I was really wanted to know what kind of engine I had. I really didn't know. So I cleaned out this little area. Turns out I have a, oh, you can see in there, a ZC engine. I read about it, heard they're rare to get, heard they're rare to fix, but hard to fix. But I never had one, so I guess I'm gonna experience mine. But anyways, yeah, so the car is clean. Oh, I got a new windshield. If you wonder why mine is so damn clean, I got a new windshield. It had cracks in it, like right here and right there, and it was bad. But other than that, the car is clean. At least it's decent clean. Oh yeah, before I get out of here, I'm sure how much trash was in this car. All this junk right here was in the car. Got random stuff in there. Got like, I don't know what the hell that is. Got headlights, random envelopes, fucking just receipts, trash, battery holder, all that junk. but I'm throwing it away. This floor mask I'm throwing away. The other one's in the trunk. I'm gonna throw it away later. Maybe later today. Maybe, I don't know. The weather's been kind of weird. It's been rainy here in California. It's kind of sunny now, but tomorrow it could just rain randomly. But I think I might just give it a car wash and then try to get it vacuumed out. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. Don't have time to do much anything else. I make music. I'm about to work on the car, and I'm gonna post all the videos on this channel. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Please comment on the car, what you think about it, what you like about it, what you don't like about it, any ideas, what I should do to it, what I should add to it. And comment, like, share.